Okay, we're moving along with the Corvette. Look at the torque head, that's mounted. Headers are in, but I need to get the plug. Instead of putting the air pipe there, I want to get a plug for that. And it's an unusual size. Anyway, there is all the little odds and ends that I'm working on. Wiring, I already wired the water pump. Check this out. I use the air pump on the Impala, and then the Corvette has the air pump down here, left front. It also has a relay right there. I just took the wiring, ran it to the water pump, and made my own wire, you know. And then what you do is you ground this relay, if you can find the wire. If not, you can tell the computer to always have the air pump on, or you can take that pin at the PCM, find where that pin is, and make a ground on that. So I haven't made the ground yet. I think I'm going to try in the tune. I got to button up the headers on this side and call it a day. A couple things I don't have, those plugs, and actually the pilot alignment tool for the transmission. I don't have that, but that's okay. There's a lot of things I can do on the Corvette.